I truly understand that creeping feeling of stiffness and lost vitality many of us begin to notice. But did you know that for most women, the silent process of age-related muscle loss begins around age 30, accelerating with each passing decade? This isn't merely about appearance, it's a fundamental shift in your metabolic engine, impacting everything from your bone density to how your body processes sugar. It's a cellular decline that, until now, felt almost inevitable. At the microscopic level, the story is even more dramatic. Within each muscle cell are mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses responsible for generating the energy currency of life, ATP. A sedentary lifestyle, particularly after 30, signals these powerhouses to downsize and become less efficient. This creates an energy deficit that we perceive as fatigue, brain fog, and a general lack of vigor. It's a quiet crisis of cellular energy that underpins so many aspects of aging. But what if we could send a powerful signal to reverse this trend, using nothing more than your own body and a simple wall? This is the elegance of wall Pilates. By using the wall for support and resistance, you create controlled, low-impact movements that place muscles under tension for extended periods. This time under tension is a potent stimulus for muscle protein synthesis and, crucially, for mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new, powerful mitochondria. Over a 28-day period, the body undergoes a remarkable cascade of adaptations. In week 1, the changes are primarily neural. Your brain becomes more efficient at recruiting muscle fibers. By week 2, as research highlighted by medical authorities like the Mayo Clinic explains, these improved neural pathways lead to tangible strength gains. It's during weeks 3 and 4 that the magic truly happens. Your body begins to build new metabolically active muscle tissue, enhancing your resting metabolic rate and improving insulin sensitivity. You are, quite literally, rebuilding your body from the inside out. To truly amplify these incredible results, we must move beyond the workout and focus on the building blocks. This is your grand resolution, the blueprint for profound, lasting change. The first and most critical action is to consume 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein within 60 minutes of finishing your wall Pilates session. This could be a smoothie with 1 scoop of unsweetened whey or pea protein isolate, or 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt. Why this specific window? Post-exercise, your muscle cells open up, becoming exceptionally receptive to amino acids. Providing them at this peak moment is like delivering perfectly timed reinforcements to a construction site, directly fueling repair and growth, and preventing the body from breaking down existing muscle tissue for energy. This single habit transforms your workout from a simple activity into a powerful anabolic event, like chronic inflammation. You must rigorously eliminate industrial seed oils such as soybean, corn, and sunflower oil, often hidden in processed foods and restaurant meals. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which in excess promote inflammatory pathways throughout the body, directly counteracting the anti-inflammatory benefits of your exercise. Replace them with extra virgin olive oil, rich in anti-inflammatory oleocanthal. Your third and final action is a non-negotiable 10-minute cellular cool-down after each session. Lie on your back with your legs straight up the wall. For 5 minutes, practice deep, diaphragmatic breathing. A 4-second inhale, a 6-second exhale. This specific breathing pattern activates the vagus nerve, shifting your nervous system from a catabolic fight or flight state to an anabolic rest and digest state. This dramatically lowers the stress hormone cortisol, which otherwise catabolizes muscle tissue and hinders recovery. These 3 precise actions, protein timing, oil swapping, and a structured cool-down, are not mere suggestions. They are the scientific levers that will turn your 28-day challenge into a true cellular transformation.